Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY and also a product review. So I'm starting with these 4x6 picture frames, and these are the frames. I just showed you the picture that came inside the frame, and I'm going to be spray painting those gold using some Rustoleum metallic gold spray paint. I also use these galvanized words. They come in a pack of 3. They have harvest, thankful, and welcome. So I'm only going to be using 2 of them because I didn't use the welcome sign, but you can use all 3 if you desire to do this project. So I spray painted those words gold as well, and I used an E6000, and I'm going to be attaching it to the frame. On the front side of the frame, I put the E6000 on the back, and I'm placing the gold side down on the outside of the frame. So it should look something like this. So I flip the frame over and I'm going to clean it off, and I'm going to be applying some gems on the back side as well as the front. So these are the gems that you can get from the Dollar Tree, the diamond shaped gems, and I just use a dab of hot glue to glue it down to the front. Put the dab of hot glue on the front of the gem and just place it down on the back side of the frame. And it should look something like this. So once I randomly placed my gems on the back, I flipped it over to the front and I placed some rhinestones on the front of the frame as well. So it's a combination of the acrylic gems and the rhinestones. These are some of the signs that you can find at the Dollar Tree. You can find them that say thankful as well as gather. And I use the Rustoleum Gold spray paint to spray paint those. Also used the tower game pieces and spray painted the tops of those as well. And I'm going to be using my E6000 to glue these on the top. This is what's going to attach the frame, and this is what's going to be the connector piece for the frame and these gold blocks. Once my game piece is dried, I use some string lights, and I'm going to just wrap these around the game pieces to add some lighting to the project. I wanted to use 2 packs of the string lights. I thought I had enough to do that, but I did not. You can use whatever lighting choice that you decide to use. If you want to use a remote control string lights, please do so. But for mine, I will have to lift my project up to turn the lights off and on because I don't have the remote control kind. And I stretched out that one string light on both the top and the bottom, but I wanted to use 2. So you can use whatever lights you desire to use. And I followed up with some E6000 as well as hot glue to glue to glue the frame down. So I just stretched it out to where it's going to be the size of the frame for the frame to make contact with the top of the game piece. And for the battery pack, I just glued it to the back, to the inside of the block that said gather. But you don't want to glue down the side where you can change your batteries. You want to leave that side face up so you can still access your batteries. And to clean it, I put some spray cleaner on the paper towel and just kind of gently wipe in between the gems to clean it. Now, if you want to hang this on the wall, I use one of these sawtooth hanging picture hook pieces, and I attached it to one of the game pieces, the tower game game pieces. And you just want to screw that down into one of the blocks, and I'm going to be attaching the block on the inside of the block that said gather. It already comes with a piece for you to hang it on the wall, but they actually, to me, they place those a little bit too deep into the block itself. So I brought it closer to the edge. And before I show you the final look, I'm going to go ahead and show you the product review. It's going to be some sconces by a company called Jackie LED. So I'm going to be showing you how it came to me in the box, and I'll show you with the lights being on the wall, and we'll go from there. And this is how it came to me in the box. They were also shipped to me inside of another box. So I'm just showing you the contents. And this is a sconce that you will have to put together. I chose the ones with the cord because I didn't want to hire an electrician to connect these to the wall using the electrical out box in the wall. So I opted to get the ones with the cord, and to my surprise, I still had to do electrical because I had to put these together, and I was trying to avoid that, but I still had to kind of do some electrical. So this gun set, you will have to put them together. If you're not familiar with electrical, I would recommend that you hire an electrician or someone that knows what they're doing to put these together. So this is how the lamp looks. These sconces look. I really like the look of these. They have that industrial look. And I thought I was going to do a DIY with these and change the color, but I actually like the way they look. So anyway, with this light, you can change it. It goes in different directions. You can make it go up. You can have it facing down, from side to side, straight ahead. So yeah, I think it's a really cool lamp. And these do come without the cord if you wanted to do them without the cord. And I actually think this particular box you can do with or without the cord. I do remember seeing that in the instructions that you could do it either way. You don't necessarily have to use the cord, but they do have another set that doesn't come with the cord. So yeah, I think that these sconces are really cute. They have that vintage industrial look, and they also come with the Edison vintage style bulbs to finish off that look. So yeah, if you're interested in these sconces, check out the description box. There will be a link in the description box, and there will be a 10% discount code if you're interested in purchasing these sconces. So don't forget to check that out. And so here is the final look of the DIY. So I'm showing you here with it placed on a table, or you can place them on the wall as well. So yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check the description box if you're interested in the sconces. And also that discount code is only going to be good till September 15th. So be sure to check that out. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You can leave me comments. And if you want to share the video, please do so. So that's it for now, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And until next time, bye.